Good morning and welcome. We are the kindergarten class. Thank you for helping our school. We think you are the best. Enjoy the show. Volunteers are great. Volunteers are super. Our volunteers are number one, and that's why we're here to say thank you for everything you do. It makes our school a better place to have volunteers like you. Volunteers are kind, caring, helpful, thoughtful, loving, needed, understanding, funny, special. The volunteer is one with a heart so sincere. No task too large, no task too small. Who will help with anything at all? Who will be there in the morning light or help in the dark of night? Never anyone so dear as a the extra volunteer are extra hand, the teacher to stand. Never anyone so dear as a Baltimore school volunteer. Taking back to my childhood, to the silver days of my youth. It's hard to find a happier time than when I was dancing with you. I remember those winter memories with the crowd always going to. From left and right to the time at night, we danced the whole night through. Danced with me and moonlight along, just like we used to do. With music and friends, we go around again. I love to spend time with you. When the stage comes and walks like a play, I don't think my feet touch the floor. Then you swung me back to the streets with you back to the morning lights all by the door. Whenever I hear that song playing, I think of the joy that they brought. Waiting on the rain, on the grace on the day, sweet will dance me now. Dance with me and we'll fly above, just like we used to do. With music and friends, we go around again. I love to spend time with you. Dance with me and we'll fly above, just like we used to do. With music and friends, we go around again. I love to spend time with you. I love to spend time with you. You've been so very good to us. You've been kind in every way. You've made us treats and help on all our special days. Today, we'd like to thank you for all you've done for us this year. Today we would like to tell you, in our own special way, we appreciate the things you've done. You are helping us volunteers. You start your day by having a lunch. Serving breakfast and making spirits go. For fundraisers, you work with all your might. Making every school event feel bright. From pancakes flipped to tickets sold with care, your help and hands are always there. You give your time so kind and true. Thank you, volunteers, for all you do. May not have told you lately, but I hope you know it's true. That every day we're grateful for a volunteer like you.
Your caring words and caring deeds, they mean so very much.
For all you do to others.
We can never say thank you enough. My graces.
A school is more than books and desks and learning 2 plus 2. It's people who share their skill and care.
They tried their best at all their. Please accept our appreciation.
Our school is a better place because of your dedication.